There's no one here. Okay. We're going to go to the other door. We just go over to this door. Check on something. Oh my goodness, Noah, you're totally out of dress code. This is unacceptable. Just kidding. Noah, which class are you in this year?
The Explorers.
Very, very good. And do you have a sister here at this school? Can you ask her to come up here?
Asha, come up.
He's well practiced. And Asha, is your mom and dad here today? Can you point to them? Yes, I just hand out. We're having talk time, guys.
Here.
All right, let me explain what's going on here. This summer, we got an email from Noah's dad saying, guys, this is so cool. Check this out. Here's a video of Noah at the BMX World Championships in Glasgow, Scotland, a place very close to my heart. Pretty cool. And I said, Noah, this is probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I think it's awesome. And would you like to see Noah's race in Glasgow? So this takes a little bit of explanation. Apparently there's hundreds and hundreds of people. How many race at a time? Like how many kids race at the same time?
So there's a full gate and there's 8 lanes in that gate, so they'll drop a gate and there'll be 8 kids going down the gate.
Okay, everyone got that? That's the lingo for the start line, I think. So the gate drops and 8 riders ride out. Now they run these races as one is finishing, another one starts. So it's a little confusing. So when we play this video, you're actually seeing the race before Noah's, okay? So bear that in mind. You're seeing the race before Noah's. And then at the end of Noah's race, which is super short, it's like what, 30 seconds? They start the next race, and then Noah's race goes down into a little box that you'll see down here. I'll try and help you see him. But you're gonna be wearing this, right? You're gonna be totally, look for the blue shirt, the white helmet, and it says 118 on it. Is that right, Asha? Okay, very good. Why don't you guys come stand over here, or we'll cycle over there. And I'm gonna ask us to hit little lights for a second, and let's try this.
1-1-6 being chased out by the Colombians in there in 3. That's going to be a tail on the 16s. Look at the GB guys going the Nicholas on full spot. Looking like you could take to this one. He's in there on the side. In there in 4. Into Daniel Rashford action. The USA get a big momentum with Gasser across the line with Mark Morales in there for 2.
pretty cool. And so overall, there was many races that you did there. And currently, where in the world do you rank on BMX?
21st.
21st! So cool. And actually, I understand you are learning to ride too?
Yes.
And do you have a bike?
Yes.
And do you go fast?
Yes.
And that's so cool. Can you say yes one more time? All right. Yeah. We give them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Okay. Why do we do this? This is important. Noah is one of many students here at this school who does incredible, exceptional things. If you or your family does things that are absolutely amazing, and you think that you might like to be recognized at this school, let us know. We want to celebrate our community for all the amazing skills and talents that you have. Thank you so much. Okay.